Hi, I used to call people on the phone looking for people who wanted to pay less for energy by using solar. What I found is most people, including myself, don't want to be bothered by a stranger calling them to sell them a product. I completely understand it. So I don't want to be that guy and I don't want to bother people. The problem that I have is that the product that we offer solves a real problem that people don't even know that they have. Imagine you're driving down the highway and the car next to you has a trunk popped, luggage full, looks like they're going on vacation. Now, if you don't say anything to them, they're going to probably have that luggage sprawl out all over the highway. They're going to lose their luggage, ruin their vacation, and what's even worse is they might cause a major accident. People could get hurt on the highway because of it. So you don't want to bother them, but you know that the bother is worth what you're going to prevent, right? So they'll be happy and grateful that you let them know. If they could get that trunk shut before it becomes a problem, they'll be super happy that you did bother them. Well, I know that the product that I offer will solve a problem that you don't know that you have. So look, if you're buying electricity right now, whether it's Nevada Energy, whether it's APS, whether it's Southern California Edison, FPL, Duke, Excel, or you're in Texas and you get to choose your power provider. It doesn't matter. Whoever you're buying electricity from right now, you're going to see a massive change in your electricity plan over the next 10 to 15 years. Why do I know this? Because the expansion of electric vehicles is here. The tracks have already been laid to shift from gas vehicles to electric vehicles. Whether you're in California or Nevada or Texas, it doesn't matter. The shift is here. So while we are going to shift over to electric vehicles, whether we like it or not, it's going to happen. That's going to increase the demand for electricity. It's going to deplete our energy supplies. We're going to need to adjust and shift to meet the new needs of the new industry. So if you stick around and wait for those rates to increase, you're going to be paying taxed fees. You're going to be paying increased rates. You're going to be paying tiered rates, time of use rates. So even if your rates today aren't that bad, in the next 10 to 15 years, it's going to shift. And the bigger problem is you're moving all this energy through a power grid, and the grids are already old and outdated. When you go solar, you solve all these problems from happening. And the product that we offer, the solution that we offer, listen to this, there's no out-of-pocket cost. $0 required. You don't need to have a fund set aside to do this. You don't need extra money. You don't need to use a credit card. You don't need any money to get started. Once it's up and running, you pay less than what you're paying now. So no money out of pocket. You pay less than you're paying now. You will never see a rate increase. So no money out of pocket. You pay less than you're paying now. And there will never be another rate increase to you, ever. No money today, less money today, and never, ever another rate increase. And when 10, 15 years passes and electricity companies are really pushing people to reduce their energy usage by using tiered rate structures, if you don't know how they work, basically they give you an allotted amount of energy to use. And once you go over that, you get taxed heavily for going over it. You get penalized for using more than what they deem necessary. If you don't want to be on that plan, go solar. You're using your own energy and not their energy. So at Energy Up Solar, we help people prevent a problem that they don't know is going to happen. Ask yourself a question. Is it better to prevent the problem or wait for it to become your problem and then you have to solve it? Well, hopefully you think it's better to prevent the problem. If you go to energyupsolar.com, we will help you prevent the problem. If you just go to our website, there's a lot of good content. We make getting consultations very easy. We do it on the phone. We do it online. You can subscribe to our channel to learn more about solar. Go to energyupsolar.com, learn everything you need to know about solar, the problem, and what's even most important is the solution.